In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Claude AI. By the end, you'll have Slack linked so you can bring AI assistants right into your workspace without juggling tabs. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Claude account and that you have access to the Slack workspace you want to use. Some organizations require an admin to approve new apps, so if you see an approval message later, that's normal. Just follow your company's process. First, open your Claude account in your web browser. Once you're in, head to your profile. You'll usually find your profile picture or name in the top corner. Click Profile to open your account area. From there, go into Settings. This is where Claude keeps all the controls for your account and integrations, so it's the right place to connect external tools. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors section. This is the hub for linking Claude to other services. Go ahead and click Connectors. On the Connectors page, choose Browse Connectors to see the full list of available integrations. You'll notice a search bar at the top, which makes finding what you need faster. Type Slack into the search bar. When Slack appears in the results, click Connect. At this point, follow the prompts on your screen. Typically, a new window or tab opens with Slack's authorization page. If you're not already signed into Slack in your browser, you'll be asked to log in. Make sure you pick the correct Slack workspace if you're part of more than one. Then review the permissions Claude is requesting. These permissions allow Claude to interact with Slack in the ways you choose, like posting messages or accessing conversations you select. When you're ready, click Allow to continue. A few tips if anything seems stuck. Make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since the authorization window often opens in a new tab. If you land on a screen asking for admin approval, that simply means your workspace restricts app installs. Submit the request and come back once it's approved. You won't need to repeat the earlier steps. After you confirm the prompts, the window will close and you'll return to Claude. You should see Slack listed among your connected services in the Connectors area. That's it, your Slack connection is active. From here, Claude can work alongside your team in Slack, depending on the features available in your plan and workspace settings. If you ever need to adjust permissions or switch workspaces later, you can revisit Settings and Connectors to manage the integration.